Hi, hello, and welcome to all. Today I'm very excited to share some unknown secrets and also life history of the great King Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was the fifth Mughal emperor and also the builder of the world famous monuments. Before going deeply into our today's topic, I'm very excited to share one crazy thought to you. Sometimes you have to stop thinking so much and just go where your heart takes you because all the situations in our life will not be positive for us. Okay, now we can go into our today's topic, the unknown secrets about Shah Jahan. I'm sure that as soon as you hear the name Shah Jahan, the Taj Mahal, the world famous monument of the love, might cross into your mind. We all know that Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his lovable wife Mumtaz, but most of them may not come across their love story. Shah Jahan fell in love with Mumtaz as soon as he saw her at the first time. We can simply say it as a love at first sight. But unfortunately, Mumtaz was already married to another man. But Shah Jahan didn't leave it easily. He killed her husband and he married her as his second wife. At that time, Mumtaz was just 19 years old little girl. Mumtaz's birth name was Arjmat Banu. After she married Shah Jahan named her as Mumtaz Mahal. She was born on 17th April 1593 and Shah Jahan was born on 5th January 1592. Nearly, Shah Jahan was 1.4 years elder than Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan and Mumtaz lived together for 14 years and gave birth to 14 children, including the Shah Jahan's favorite daughter. Mumtaz died when she gave birth to her 14th child, and the last wish of Mumtaz, which she said to Shah Jahan, is to build a love symbol, the love monument for her. It took nearly 22 years for Shah Jahan to fulfill her wish. It is also said that after the death of Mumtaz, Shah Jahan married her sister. This is really wondering if he loved her truly. The total count of Shah Jahan's wife is said as 9 in some websites and 3 in another website. So sorry, I don't know the correct information. If someone knows that, then please leave it in the comment section and let other viewers know the correct information. And then the total count of Shah Jahan's children is 16. Shah Jahan is just a surname for him. By birth, his name is Shahab-ud-Din Muhammad Quran. He is the son of the great Mughal king Jahangir and the queen Jahat Goshen. The meaning of the name Shah Jahan is the Lord of the World. As it is his name, he is known for his love all over the world until this moment. Let's know some more unknown interesting facts about Shah Jahan. The will to acquire the empire of Hindustan made the Prince Quran to rebel against his father in the year 1622, even though he was forgiven. After the death of Jahangir, Shah Jahan ascended the precious Mughal throne. To obtain the throne, Shah Jahan even killed all his siblings, those who fought for the throne, without any hindrance. Shah Jahan started his reign from 24th January 1628. His rule was prosperous and peaceful. He just lavishly enjoyed the work done by his father and grandfather. And also it is said that the Mughal Empire reached its zenith at that time. Each and every human will be surely crazy on certain things, for example music, dance, drawing, poetry and so on. Likewise, Shah Jahan was crazy on expanding his kingdom. He fulfilled that by conquering all the south side countries by the help of Adil Shahi dynasty, and also at the same time he defeated the Nizam Shahi kingdom. And Shah Jahan, while conquering the northwest countries of his empire, he was not able to integrate certain regions which is in the current Central Asia within his empire. In your life, you might cross across certain people, those who don't like the human society. Likewise, Shah Jahan was a misanthrope, the person who don't like the human society. He considered people no more than the commodities. Definitely, everyone will have certain passion in their life. Likewise, the great Mughal king Shah Jahan's passion is art and architecture. In his teenage itself, he is known for his passion. Taj Mahal is his crowning achievement. The blindly beautiful Taj Mahal, the symbol of love which he built for his wife Mumtaz. I already said about this in the beginning session of the video itself, and also it is one of the well-known facts by the whole world. Shah Jahan also renovates the old monuments and constructs new ones as well. All these undertakings were lavishly supplemented with funds in order to deliver an excellent result. Shah Jahan designed his throne in a peacock shape, and also he decorated it with the help of more and more precious stones, which includes the world's precious stone Kohinoor diamond, which is under the hands of the current Britain Queen. Under Shah Jahan's patronage, jewellery reached the high level of perfection. Jewelers from both Asia and Europe visited the Mughals' court to sell their craft and gems. In spite of all his lavish expenditure, the imperial treasury was not in a debit even for a single time. In fact, Shah Jahan entered his region with more money than he had in the beginning of his reign. Shah Jahan's kingship came to a sudden end in the year 1657. His health condition started to degrade, and this fact started a war of succession in between his sons. Karma played a vital role in Shah Jahan's life. Shah Jahan was imprisoned by his younger son Aurangzeb as he was afraid of his father that he won't give him the Mughal throne. Rather, he would give the throne to his elder brother. The greed of occupying the Mughal throne made Aurangzeb to house arrest even his unhealthy father. Among his four sons, Aurangzeb won the War of Succession and ascended the throne and became the sixth Mughal emperor. Aurangzeb imprisoned his father Shah Jahan in the Agra fort until his death in the year 1666. Even though he is in confinement, he had immense love for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is also said that Aurangzeb didn't do any funeral for his father Shah Jahan, and also he didn't build any separate tomb for the great Mughal king Shah Jahan. He simply just buried his body near the Shah Jahan's wife Mumtaz Mahal in Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan's beginning and the middle stage of his life was so peaceful and joyful. Even though he is a king, his end was so sorrowful. Shah Jahan died in the year 1666 itself, but he remains in our heart still now. I think you all like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, bye.